Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to create Azar account. So you can see here this is the application. So to create this application account, what you have to do is, first of all, you can download this from your Google Play Store. Okay, so after downloading, let's check it out how to create this. Now you will find this interface here. Now, so guys, what you have to do to create this account, you can create in two methods. One is from connecting your Facebook and one is from Google Play Store. So let me just go to connect from Google, sorry, not Google Play Store, from Gmail. Okay, here. So now I have chosen my account, and then you have to choose your Gmail account, and then it will be on a connecting process. Now you can see here they will ask for your birth date, so let me just select my birth date here. So okay, let me just select okay, and then just click after choosing your gender, just click on sign up option. So let's wait. Now signing up option. So guys, here you will find this interface here. Now what you have to do is pretty simple. You just need to skip this, just skip this. If you're using English, then just skip and sweep and just click on start other. So as you can see here, you have to allow your camera, microphone, location. So just click on allow. Okay, sorry, and then just allow this. Okay, you have to allow these three things here. So after allowing these three things, you can see here your other account has been created. So guys, if you wanna turn your camera back, you can use this, and then if you wanna change your location, you can see here. So let me just select for India. Okay, India is for free, and also if you wanna look for your contact, you can type here and you can see. Let's do it. So here is your contact, and then if you wanna change your sorry, if you wanna change your uh, profile picture, then just click here, and then you can see your option. Just click here, and then you can change your profile picture by clicking here. You can see here. So guys, this is how you can create your Azure account. Thanks for watching.